Hey, I'm Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to test the damper motor on a Frigidaire refrigerator that's not cooling in the refrigerator section. Before we get started, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you can get notified when we post new videos. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's get our tools together. Today we'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a multimeter. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your refrigerator by unplugging it or switching the breaker off, as well as turning off its water supply before doing any work on it. To access the damper motor, open the refrigerator door and take out the filter. At the back of the refrigerator at the top, you should see a 1/4-inch screw on the right side behind where the filter is located. Remove this screw, then drop the cover down. There will be 2 1/4-inch screws on the corner of the left side that are recessed in. Remove both of them. We need to remove the 3 1/4-inch screws under the control panel. These will be recessed into the panel. Next, remove the 1/4-inch screw under the cover at the back of where the filter would be. Once all the screws have been removed, you should be able to drop the control housing down so you can access the damper motor. We need to test the damper motor for AC voltage, so we need the fridge plugged in and turned on. Just a reminder to be very careful when testing for voltage. First, you'll need to set your multimeter to volts AC and find the red wire with a black stripe and the light blue wire on the damper motor. See where they connect to the damper, and this will be your testing point. Then put one lead on the terminal of the blue wire and the other on the terminal of the red with black stripe. Now turn the power off to the unit, then turn the power back on. The damper motor should receive 120 volts AC when the fridge is powered back on. If there isn't 120 volts AC, then test each of the switches to make sure that there's continuity on them. The button on the switch needs to be pushed in to get continuity. If you don't get continuity, then the damper needs to be replaced. To reassemble, we need to put the control housing back on the ceiling and install the 3 1/4-inch screws that hold the housing in place. Then, install the 2 1/4-inch screws in the side panel at the upper left-hand side. Install a single 1/4-inch screw behind the water filter. Now you can put the cover back over the tubing, and once you install the 1/4-inch screw that holds it in place, you're done. Don't forget to plug your fridge back in or flip the circuit breaker back on, as well as turning the water back on. If your damper motor tested good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out why your Frigidaire refrigerator isn't cooling. We've got thousands of videos to help you with diagnosing and making repairs. If your damper motor tested bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can fix it yourself. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment below to let us know how the testing and repair process went. And if you haven't already, hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.